Hello my friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth. We're shooting an extra video today because I wanted to give you an inside scoop, a peek at the Parent Road Ministry headquarters, also known as our house. Also, at the end of this video, our new video equipment arrived. I'm so excited. And so we're gonna do an unboxing. Dad and I are gonna do that unboxing, and we'll show you our family's traditional happy dance so that you can join in the celebration. Okay, first let me show you around. In here is my office. It used to look a lot better, but our ceiling fell twice. We've had the insurance adjusters around, and they've looked at it, and we have, there it is, there's the ceiling. We've also moved everything out of this room. The next room is Little Nuts. Do you see the piano back in there? Oh my goodness. So we got started trying to make it work and get it fixed, but then the coronavirus came and plans got put on hold. Now I just use this space to work out, pray, shoot YouTube videos, write, and I work both my jobs from home right now. Share in the comments what you're doing during the shutdown. I work part-time as a children's minister at a local church. The rest of the time I work from home, writing, running Parent Road Ministries, and working on the big home project with Dad. Back through the kitchen, we're gonna get to my dad's office. Here we go, this is my dad's office. We are both fans of books, lots of books. This is pretty cool. My dad holds a lot of patents. He was an electrical engineer and an awesome dad. So this is his wall there. And this is the printer that we share. Over here, these are what I need to organize today. These are the tubs that hold all the Parent Road Ministry stuff. You'd think that the ceiling would be our big project, but it's not. Dad and I are going through the entire house and storage, sorting things, organizing, and getting rid of stuff. This house has been in my family for 100 years. It's pretty cool being the 4th generation to live here. Unfortunately, Dad and I both have a lot of stuff we've acquired through the years. I've got an apartment's worth of stuff in storage, plus things that have been passed down to both of us from family members. Dad and I decided it's time to let go of some things and downsize. We're not moving, but it sure feels like it. Today's project, as you could see, is organizing what's left of my office and the Parent Road Ministry tubs. The wheelie bag suitcase is our kit for events and book signings. It has everything that goes on our display table except the money bag and square readers. Those I keep in a safe place. Other things kept in these tubs are extra books to sell. We have quite a few that I've written that are available on our website. The most popular right now is the 40 scriptures to pray over your children. If you want to check those out, the web address is parentroadmin.com. Other stuff in these tubs are various tablecloths and miscellaneous supplies. The trick is organizing it well enough so I can find what I need when I need it without too much trouble. I sure hope this works. I hope you have enjoyed this tour. Before we say goodbye, let's unbox our new video equipment. I'm so excited. Hey, I'm really excited. Our last boxes came in. Brad Matson with ITG-Creative helped us find out what equipment would be good to order to have a video camera here at the house for me to film our YouTube videos. He's been lending me this one that I'm using to film this on. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. So we have a bunch of stuff here we're going to open. I'm Miss Nancy Ruth. Hi. You want to introduce yourself?
I'm Nancy Ruth's dad.
This is Mr. Roger. We got really excited and we opened one of them already. Show them what that one is. Oh, that's our SD card. I'm really excited about that. Let's see, I'm going to open the big one and I'm going to let you open the little one.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what we got here. I think I know what it is, but opening packages is always fun, isn't it?
My guess is it's the tripod.
That's my guess too. Let's see. Oh, that's a little smaller than I thought. Let's see what's in here. It's probably all broken down. Ooh, I see a case. That's exciting.
Oh, it makes it portable.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Oh, this is great. It's got a case to be able to do it. I actually ordered this, but because it's what Brad recommended, I didn't look at it very closely. So now I'm really actually looking at it. Ooh, this is great.
Well, it really collapses down to a small size, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, this is great. It's got little locks on it so that I can clip it tighter. And it's really adjustable. I'm curious how tall it's going to be. This is exciting.
Oh, yeah.
That's great. Ooh, there's a level on it. Dad's a retired engineer, so he'll love this level. Isn't that great?
Mm-hmm.
So we mount our camera on the top and then we can adjust it and make sure it's level. I love that.
It's got a little handle here to adjust things.
Yeah, so it'll adjust this way and it adjusts turning around and it adjusts lots of different ways. There you go. I love it. Test it out. All right, I was gonna let you open the little box.
Oh, okay.
Are you done playing or you wanna play some more?
No, go ahead.
Okay. This one's exciting. I think this is the camera. This is the bit that arrived today. The rest of this arrived a few days ago and I've been waiting and waiting to be able to film this video and open it with you. The label I stuck on there to cover our dress is where it gets stuck. Ooh, let's see. Full HD, high definition. That's exciting. And what do we have in here? Instruction manual, user's manual. I'll read that later. Okay, here we go. Ooh.
There it is. There it is.
It's nice and small. Here, I'll show you up close. Can you see that? Might have to get out a flashlight. I'll shoot a B-roll for this so that you can see it. But it's got a remote in here so that I can hit record from far away while I'm recording. I don't have to keep jumping up and down. Battery, remote, plug in for the computer. Ooh, look and see what's in there.
Microphone.
Yeah, that's how you know we're gonna be really high tech. Ooh, it's got 2 batteries. That's great. Okay, this, we'll figure out what that's for. It's nice and compact, and this also comes in a storage case, which is great. Because with this little setup, I can take you along with me when I go to events and things like book signings, and we're going to a homeschool conference. The Midwestern Parenting Educators Group is having a homeschool conference. It was rescheduled due to the coronavirus, but they'll be having it in June. So I'm really excited, and now I can take you along with me. So, ooh, this is great.
Oh, that's the whole camera.
It's nice and small and compact. This is great. Oh, I'm so excited to start playing with this. And it's got something to come up that'll show us the screen, and I can turn it around, I think. I can turn around and see it while I'm filming. I'm really excited. I love that feature on this borrowed camera, so I'm really excited this one has it too. And it actually looks very similar to the camera that I've been borrowing, so that means my learning curve will be lower. That makes me happy. Well, that's exciting. Well, you know what? In our family, we have a tradition when something exciting happens. Ready? Happy dance! Whee! Yay! Now your turn. Come join the happy dance. Happy dance! Yay! So exciting. I do too. I love that tradition. See you later, my friends. For more inside scoop and ministry updates like these, be sure to visit our website and subscribe for the E-Team. The people in the E-Team get updates on how I'm doing in my writing, things happening behind the scenes, big things that are happening here with the house, and all kinds of inside scoop like that. So make sure you visit the website, parentroadmin.com, and subscribe to the E-Team. See you later.